Welcome to my health channel. In this video, I want to explain why are you not supposed to wear your earphones for a long period of time. Why are you not supposed to wear your earphones for a long period of time? So if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe for more healthy videos. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. First of all, earphones are inevitable. Many people like to use earphones. Your phone, you connect to use your earphone, maybe you're listening to music or maybe you're watching a movie, you use earphones. So, but some people, they use earphones for a long period of time. So using earphones for a long period of time, it has different disadvantages or it has different side effects. So in this video, I'm going to explain those disadvantages or those side effects of using earphones for a long period of time. First of all, earphones, I'm having a sample. Earphones are sold at different places, at the shops, and also earphones are worldwide. Kenya, they sell earphones, Tanzania, Uganda, Australia, Maldives, Portugal, Canada, all these countries, they sell earphones. So I'm going to explain the side effect of using earphone for a long period of time. The first side effect is may lead to hearing loss. Some people, they use earphones for a long period of time, but also they increase the volume. So increase of the volume may affect or may damage the eardrum. After that, you might get a permanent hearing loss or temporary hearing loss. Another side effect is that you are going to get ear infections. How? It is like this. When you this is an ear, so we have a pinna which is outside, and also we have the ear canal. So when, for example, I'm taking this ear, then this is the earphone, I'm going to keep it on this ear. Have you seen it? So after by doing like this, I'm going to obstruct the airflow from going inside the ear canal. So by doing like that, it may lead to accumulations of different bacteria and hence leading to getting ear infection. And another side effect is lead to the formation of earwax. Earwax they normally get out from the ear naturally. But when you plug the earphone on the ear for a long period of time, it means that you are going to obstruct the natural flow of earwax from the ear. So after that, it will be leading to accumulation of earwax. So the accumulation of earwax in the ear. After that, it will lead to symptoms of vertigo or itching of the ear. So those are some of the side effects of wearing earphone for a long period of time. So it's like this. It is inevitable not to use earphone, but you can decrease the time of using. Maybe you can use this for 1 hour, 30 minutes. After that, you stop. After that, you wait for another some time, you wear again. But some people, they just wear the earphone 24 hours listening to music every time, sleeping with earphone while listening to music. This has many disadvantages. So thank you for being with me. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Don't forget to like and don't forget to comment. Thank you.